Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about I need a car accident lawyer. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search I need a car accident lawyer. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website. When you click this website, the page will be opened of hire a car accident lawyer. If you have been involved in a car accident, you may be have to need it a hire car accident lawyer. An experienced injury attorney can help to recover a losses resulting from of motor vehicle accident and reduce the hefty amount of paperwork, phone calls and hassle often associated with the car accident insurance claim. Knowing about you need to professional legal assistance can make a difference between a justly resolved and cases of the owing or losing large monetary damage. Below of the important information you need to know about hiring a car accident lawyer. Why you may need to hire a car accident lawyer? Unfortunately, car accidents are everybody occurrence. Most of personal injuries claim in the United States as a result of an accident involving a car trucks of another motor vehicle. Many of these accidents resulting in a minor vehicle damage in the form of a fender bender and are generally be handled along with their direct contact and insurance companies. However, car accidents that involve in a physical and fatality of significant damage may require a legal representation with an experienced attorney. An experienced attorney lawyer had to get compensations to cover and losses incurred due to the accident, such as medical expenses, loss of wages, car repairs. In the some states, a car accident lawyer may have to recover when his loved one is killed, especially if reckless driving, speeding, and drunk driving was involved. What to look for when hiring a car accident attorney? Auto accident attorney cover a range of issues stemming for personal injuries, wrongful death, and property damage. When looking for a lawyer, you should connect and their experience, skill level, committed, location, and fee structures. For example, your attorney should be have to concentrate of their experience, skill level, committed, location, and fees. Companies also known as to how affectionately prepared a settle a case. It is also important that you check the attorney background, reference, and track record. A good personal injuries lawyer will typically accept your cases contingency or a non-win of fees. Basic of the attorney feels your case has a merit, so it is important to check the attorney started fee structure. When to hire a car accident lawyer, it is the best hire an attorney early to avoid a costly mistake. The deadline for filing a personal injuries claim various form of state in two states because of you have to need a pay for medical bills or a covered loss of wages. The sooner you have to connect an attorney, the better is general a person you should to contact with the attorney shortly after the accident occurs, but before researching a settlement with the insurance company. Before working with a lawyer, you should be asked to how much details, information, and fact you about your car accident and any injuries you have to financial losses as possible. Documents and might to have to want to show your attorney after your motor vehicle accident. You may be include your insurance policy, any police report you have to information exchange and accident scenes and medical reports among other things. Below are the sum of questions you ask before hiring a car accident lawyer. What percentage of your practice is devotion to your car accident cases? What experience do you have to with the specific types of injuries in questions? What is the typical settlement? The ranges of the cases similar to mine. However, can be very difficult questions to the answer until you have to complicated treatment and now to full extent of your injuries. How to much a car accident cases will you have to actually handle? Here are your fees structure, what you have to pocket expenses and I am responsible for. Cost of hiring lawyer. Most of car accident cases are handled a contingency, no win no pay a basics. This means that you have to an attorney does not win a settle the cases of your own behalf, they do not collect it a fees. On the other hand, if the attorney wins the cases, they will be get a percentage of a personal injuries awarded. The attorney percentage various form of cases and case, but you have to equally approximately one tried and the total award. There are a different maximum percentage limits. imposed form of state and to state. It is important to note and ordinary fees are different form of cost, and you may be also are responsible for a certain out-of-pocket expenses associated with your case.